linking your Pinterest business account to other social media platforms. In this case, we are linking them to Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Let me show you how to do it. And this is good because you will have information. Pinterest will get some specific information from these other social media platforms, people that you follow, people that follow you, and give suggestions based on that. So if somebody is following you on Facebook, for example, there are big chances that Pinterest will put your Pinterest content in front of this user because they already follow you in other social media platforms. Nobody knows by the fact how the algorithm works, but this is how it was working for me and for my clients. So in order to link your Pinterest account with social media, you come here to your profile, go to settings, and here we scroll down until we see the social networks option here, the menu. And all you need to do is just turn this on and link to your social media profiles. When you turn on, it will ask you to authorize the app. On this case is Twitter. I will say yes, I want to link Twitter with my Pinterest account, and now it's linked. And you see I did already that for Facebook. You can go ahead if you want and link all these other social media platforms. The only thing that I want to tell you before you proceed is that you can link only to personal profiles. On Facebook, for example, if you have a Facebook page for your business, which is great, Pinterest does not allow us to link your Pinterest business profile with your Facebook business page. You can link only with your Facebook personal page. So if you are comfortable with doing that, if you are comfortable putting yourself, you as a business owner or as a responsible for the company in front of all your customers, you can go ahead and do that right now. Okay, I hope this is helpful. And after that, we are ready to continue improving your Pinterest profile. See you there.